Ever wondered if sharing is truly caring, especially when it comes to your bank account? Perhaps you're looking to simplify finances with a partner, help a family member manage their money, or simply make joint expenses a breeze. It's a common question, and one that often comes with a surprising number of nuances. Many of us, at some point, consider the idea of adding someone to our bank account. It seems like a straightforward solution, doesn't it? But before you jump in, it's crucial to understand the implications, the benefits, and yes, the potential pitfalls. Today, we're diving deep into the specifics of Lloyds Bank and whether you can add someone to your existing account. We'll explore the different types of accounts available for shared banking, the processes involved, and what you need to consider before making such a significant financial decision. Because while convenience is certainly a factor, protecting your financial interests and understanding your responsibilities are paramount. So, let's get straight to it. Can you simply add someone to your existing personal bank account with Lloyds? The short answer is generally no, not in the way you might imagine. Unlike some other financial products, personal current accounts are typically opened by one individual. If you want to share an account with someone else, the standard procedure at Lloyds, and indeed, most other banks, is to open a joint account. A joint account is specifically designed for two or more people to manage their money together. Both parties have equal access to the funds, can make deposits and withdrawals, set up direct debits, and generally operate the account as they see fit. This is the primary method Lloyds provides for shared banking. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I just want someone to see my balance or make payments on my behalf? This is where the concept of a joint account differs from, say, granting someone power of attorney or setting up a third-party mandate. A joint account grants full, equal access and responsibility. If you decide a joint account is the right solution for you and the person you want to share finances with, the process with Lloyds is relatively straightforward. Both individuals will need to be present, either in a branch or sometimes through an online application if eligible, and provide identification documents. Lloyds will conduct standard identity and address verification checks for both applicants. It's similar to opening a new account, just with two primary account holders from the outset. What are the benefits of a joint account? For couples, it can simplify household budgeting and shared expenses. For families, it can be useful for managing communal funds or for parents helping older children with their finances. It can streamline bill payments and offer greater transparency in shared financial dealings. However, it's vital to consider the downsides. Both account holders are jointly and severally liable for any overdrafts or debts incurred on the account. This means if one person overspends, the other is equally responsible for repaying the debt. There's also the element of trust. You are essentially giving someone full control over the funds in that account. In the event of a relationship breakdown or a dispute, managing a joint account can become complicated. Before opening a joint account, have an open and honest conversation with the other person about your financial goals, spending habits, and expectations. Discuss how bills will be paid, how much each person will contribute, and what happens in unforeseen circumstances. A clear understanding up front can prevent potential conflicts down the line. So, while you can't simply add someone to your existing solo Lloyds bank account, you absolutely can open a joint account with them, offering a robust solution for shared financial management. It's about choosing the right tool for your specific needs, always with an eye on both convenience and security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.